Gotcha, look who's laughing
On a
today.
time,
A
there was a
little bit of
7-year-old
magic
boy
in the
named
things that we
Minjun
play.
who
From
loved playing
squeaking in your
harmless tricks
slippers
on his
to the
family.
eyes on the
His
wall.
favorite goal was
Making you
to make
happy
everyone
is the
laugh.
best trick of
One
all.
morning, Minjun quietly placed
Oh, gotcha,
googly
look who's
eyes on the
laughing
milk, eggs, butter, and
today.
other food in the
A
refrigerator.
little bit of
When his
magic
sister
in the
opened
things
the
that we
fridge, she
play. From
laughed
squeaking
because
in your slippers
everything
to
looked
the eyes
alive.
on the
A
wall.
few days later,
Oh,
Minjin
gotcha,
hid
look who's
tiny
laughing
squeakers
today.
inside
A
Dad's
little
fuzzy
bit of
slippers.
magic in the things
Every
that
step
we
Dad took
play.
made a
From
funny
squeaking in your
squeaking sound,
slippers to
and
the
the
eyes
whole
on the
family
wall.
burst into laughter.
Making you
By
happy is the
Saturday,
best trick of
everyone
all.
expected another prank. They
Oh,
carefully
gotcha,
checked their
look who's
shoes,
laughing
looked around the house for surprises. Instead,
today. A
Minjin
little
gathered
bit of
everyone in the
magic in
living
the
room
things that
and
we
lifted
play.
a
From
large
squeaking in
box.
your slippers to the
Inside
eyes on
was
the
a plate of
wall.
warm chocolate chip cookies
Oh,
with a
gotcha,
sign
look
that
who's
said,
laughing
"Gotcha!
today. A
I love you
little bit of
guys."
magic in
His
the things
family
that we
smiled,
play.
hugged
From
him, and
squeaking in your
enjoyed the
slippers to
cookies
the eyes
together.
on the wall.
Minjins learned that
Making you
making people
happy
feel
is the
happy
best
and
trick of
loved was
all.
the best trick of all.
Oh, gotcha, look who's